Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to turn the keyboard sound on or off on your iPhone 16 lineup. Whether you have an iPhone 16, 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max, these steps will work for you. Open the settings on your phone, scroll down and tap the sounds and haptics option from there. Scroll further down and select the keyboard feedback option and tap it. Here you will see option for sound and haptic feedback. To turn on the keyboard sound off, toggle sound off. To turn it on, toggle back it on. If silence mode is enabled using the side switch or control center, the keyboard sound won't play even if it's turned on it in settings. To hear the keyboard sound, make sure silent mode is off. That's it. Now you know how to enable or disable keyboard sound on your iPhone 16. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.